ഒമ്പതാം ക്ലാസ്സിലെ അഞ്ചാമത്തെ ചാപ്റ്റർ ആസിഡ്സ് ബേസസ് സാൾട്ട്സ് എന്ന വീഡിയോ ട്യൂട്ടോറിയലിലേക്ക് എല്ലാവരെയും സ്വാഗതം ചെയ്യുന്നു. ആസിഡ്സ് ബേസസ് ആൻഡ് സാൾട്ട്സ്. You have learned about acids and alkalis in your lower classes, that is 8th and lower other classes. What are alkalis and what are bases? See, can you give example for them? Yes, hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, sulfuric acid, and what about bases? Sodium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide. Okay, now what all methods can be used to identify them? Or see, what are the common properties of acids? What are the common properties of acids? Acidsന്റെ പൊതുവായിട്ടുള്ള ഗുണങ്ങൾ എന്തൊക്കെയാണ്? See, acids have sour taste. Then acids turn blue litmus paper into red. Then they produce hydrogen with metals. When acids react with metals, hydrogen gas is evolved. Then acids produce salts with a base. These are the common properties of acids. Once again, acids have sour taste, blue litmus turn red, produce hydrogen with metals, produce salts with a base. Now, what are the common properties of bases? See, bases have bitter taste. Bases have bitter taste. Red litmus turns blue, that is bases turns red litmus into blue, and they do not react with metals. Now bases produce salts with acids. Now another one, they turn phenolphthalein into pink color. Phenolphthalein is a color indicator, and they turn, that means bases turn phenolphthalein into pink color. Now some columns are there. In the first column some substances are given, and the second column change in the color of litmus. When they add, what color change happen? That is in the second column, and what characteristics they shows in the last column. What are the substances? Vinegar, lime water, soap solution, and hydrochloric acid. So first let us discuss about vinegar. Vinegar, what color change? Yes, they turn blue into red, blue litmus paper into red. So what character, what is the nature? Acid. Okay. Then lime water. Lime water എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ചുണ്ണാമ്പ് വെള്ളമാണ്. Lime water. Now red turns blue, red litmus paper into blue. And what nature? Yes, alkaline nature or base, property of base. Then soap solution, that means soapy appearance, that is red litmus into blue, that means again alkali or basic character. Now hydrochloric acid, that is already stated, that is an acid. Now blue litmus into red, that is acid. Now let's do an experiment. Take small piece of zinc in a test tube as shown in the figure. You can see that figure. There is a test tube, and zinc is taken in that test tube. Add 2 ml of dilute hydrochloric acid using a dropper, that is 1 by 1. Now show a burning matchstick at the mouth of the test tube. Record the observation. ഒരു കത്തിക്കൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്ന ഒരു തീപ്പെട്ടിക്കുള്ളി ആ ടെസ്റ്റ് ട്യൂബിൻ്റെ മൗത്ത് ഭാഗത്ത് കാണിച്ചു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ വാട്ട് ഈസ് യുവർ ഒബ്സർവേഷൻ? യെസ്, വിത്ത് ബേൺ വിത്ത് എ pop-up sound, pop sound. So what would be the reason? What gas is evolved there? Yes, hydrogen gas liberated burns. Now hydrogen is a good fuel, you know that. And now complete the chemical equation for this reaction. Zn plus 2HCl gives ZnCl2 plus what? Yes, H2, hydrogen molecule. Now acids react with reactive metals to form hydrogen gas. Acids react with the reactive metals to form hydrogen gas. That is the inference. Now, will the same gas be formed when acids react with the carbonates? Let's do another experiment. Now, take some calcium carbonate in a boiling tube as shown in figure, and you can see that figure. There is a delivery tube and a test tube, two test tubes. One is calcium, the mixture of calcium carbonate and dilute hydrochloric acid. So, add dilute hydrochloric acid to it through a Thistle funnel, and this is Thistle funnel, and you can add hydrochloric acid through it. Pass evolving gas through clear lime water taken in a test tube. ഇവിടെ ഉണ്ടാകുന്ന വാതകത്തെ നമ്മൾ ഈ ക്ലിയർ ആയ തെളിഞ്ഞ ലൈം വാട്ടറിലൂടെ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ചുണ്ണാമ്പ് വെള്ളത്തിലൂടെ കടത്തിവിടുന്നു. ആദ്യം ഒന്നുകൂടി പറയാം. കാൽസ്യം കാർബണേറ്റ് അല്ലെങ്കിൽ മാർബിൾ പീസ്, വളരെ ചെറിയ മാർബിൾ പീസ് ടെസ്റ്റ് ട്യൂബിൽ എടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. അത് നന്നായിട്ട് അടച്ച് വെച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട്. ഒരു ഡെലിവറി ട്യൂബ് മുഖേന ഒരു ടെസ്റ്റ് ട്യൂബിലെ ക്ലിയർ ആയിട്ടുള്ള ലൈം വാട്ടറിലേക്ക് കടത്തി വെച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട്. ഈ തിസിൽ ഫണലിലൂടെ ഹൈഡ്രോക്ലോറിക് ആസിഡ് ആഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നു, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഡ്രോപ്പ് ബൈ ഡ്രോപ്പ് ആയിട്ട് ആഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നു. വാട്ട് ഈസ് ദ ഒബ്സർവേഷൻ? യെസ്, which is the gas that comes out through the delivery tube? Carbon dioxide. And what is your observation when this gas passed through clear lime water? ഈ തെളിഞ്ഞ ചുണ്ണാമ്പ് വെള്ളത്തിലൂടെ കടത്തിവിടുമ്പോൾ എന്താണ് സംഭവിച്ചത്? That lime water turns milky. Lime water turns milky. That is the identity test for carbon dioxide. So we can understand that the gas is carbon dioxide. When acids react with carbonates, carbon dioxide gas is liberated. When acids react with carbonates, carbon dioxide gas is liberated. ആസിഡ് കാർബണേറ്റ്സുമായിട്ട്, ഇവിടെ നമ്മൾ കാൽസ്യം കാർബണേറ്റ് ആണ് എടുത്തത്. അപ്പോൾ കാൽസ്യം കാർബണേറ്റുമായിട്ട് ആസിഡ് പ്രവർത്തിക്കുന്ന സമയത്ത്, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ കാർബണേറ്റ് ജനറലായിട്ട് പറയാം, കാർബണേറ്റ്സുമായിട്ട് ആസിഡ് പ്രവർത്തിക്കുന്ന സമയത്ത് carbon dioxide gas is liberated. Now, from the characteristics given below, find out those suitable for acids and put right mark or tick mark. ആസിഡുമായിട്ട് ബന്ധപ്പെട്ടതിന് മാത്രം ടിക്ക് മാർക്ക് ചെയ്യുക. ഫസ്റ്റ് വൺ, ഹാവ് ആൽക്കലൈൻ ടേസ്റ്റ്. ദെൻ സെക്കൻഡ് വൺ, ടേൺ ബ്ലൂ ലിറ്റ്മസ് റെഡ്. So which one related to acid? Yes, turn blue litmus red. Now some other points are there. React with the carbonates to form carbon dioxide gas. Then what about that one? Yes, that is about acid. Soapy to touch. What about that one? Soapy to touch, soapy appearance. That means related to alkaline nature. And liberate hydrogen on reaction with highly reactive metals like magnesium and zinc. We have seen that one. So that one is related to acid. When acids react with the metals or highly reactive metals, hydrogen gas is evolved. That is also related to acids. How sour taste? That is about to acids. Then turns red litmus blue. That is not. That is about alkaline nature. So only tick this one, turn blue litmus red, and react with the carbonates to form carbon dioxide gas, and liberate hydrogen on reaction with the highly reactive metals like magnesium and zinc. And the last one, have sour taste. Okay. Common components in acids. What are the common components in acids? Let us see the chemical formula of some of the acids Name of the acid is given in the first column. Hydrochloric acid, HCl. Nitric acid, what is the chemical formula of nitric acid? HNO3. Carbonic acid, that is HCO3. And sulfuric acid, H2SO4. These are the chemical formula. You should by heart this one, that is hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, that is carbonic acid, and sulfuric acid. Okay, then which component is responsible for the common properties of acids? ആസിഡിൻ്റെ പൊതുവായ പ്രോപ്പർട്ടിക്ക് കാരണം എന്താണ്? യെസ്, ഹൈഡ്രജൻ. കോമൺ ആയിട്ടുള്ളത് എല്ലാത്തിലും കോമൺ ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഹൈഡ്രജൻ ആണ് ഇവിടെ. നൗ chemical equation showing the formation of oppositely charged ions when hydrochloric acid and nitric acid dissolved in water are given. So listen, the ionization reaction of hydrochloric acid and nitric acid are given. First one, hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid dissociates into hydrogen ion and a chlorine ion. Hydrogen ion and a chlorine ion. So see, that is hydrogen H plus ion and a chlorine Cl minus ion. Then HNO3, nitric acid, that is hydrogen ion and a nitrate ion. It is a radical nitrate ion, that is minus ion. Now, which are the ions present in hydrochloric acid solution? Yes, the main ions are hydrogen ion and a chlorine ion. If it is a solution, yes, hydrogen ion again and hydroxyl ion are also there. Now, hydrogen ion and chlorine ion. Listen, which are the ions present in nitric acid solution? Okay, mainly hydrogen ion and nitrate ion, that is minus ion, this one is positive ion. Now, which is the ion common to both? Which is the ion common to both? That is H plus ion. Now, the properties of acids are due to the presence of hydrogen ions present in them. Okay, listen very carefully. That is the properties of acids. Acidinte properties ne kaaranam endana? Due to the presence of hydrogen ion or H plus ions present in them. Now, that is the inference. What is the inference? Acids are, what are acids? Acids are substances which can increase the concentration of hydrogen ions or H plus ions in an aqueous solution. Okay. Now, since H plus ions have no independent existence, they are not stable. They combine with water molecules to form hydronium ions. What is hydronium ion? That is H3O plus. H3O plus, that is hydronium ion. Now, list the acids that are present in lime juice, curd, tamarind and vinegar. Yes, lime juice, citric acid. Now, curd, lactic acid. Curd, lactic acid. Now, tamarind, that is tartaric acid. Then the last one, vinegar, that is acetic acid. Okay. Now, the natural substance with the sour taste, these are all natural substances with the sour taste and which we use in our daily life contain organic acids in low concentration. That means these acids, citric acid, lactic acid, tartaric acid, these are weak acids. But all acids are not to be tasted. That is mineral acids like hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, etc. are strong acid. We cannot taste these acids. So that is the end of this video. Okay, thank you.